So welcome to this tutorial. So in this cartoon animator tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add front motions to your 45-degree character. So without further ado, let me get into this. So this character here is by an artist, professional artist on the Reallusion website. So you can get it there. I will leave a link to it. And also I'll leave a link to any scenes that I show in this tutorial, okay? So I'll leave them on my Patreon as well. So if you want to check them out. So okay, so we've got this character in a 45-degree angle. Let's make him a little bit bigger. Okay. And so what I'll do, in order to get this to work properly, we need 3D motions. So let's go to template, 3D motions, yeah? So let's see. Okay, so we're gonna add a run motion. And what's good about the 3D motions, obviously you can angle them which way you want. So okay, so we're gonna just play a little preview. So you can see he's running all kind of lopsided. But as we see in the camera projection, it's on 0. So we leave it on 0. Yeah, make sure that you clicked lock to hip and make sure you click root motion. If you don't, let me take it off and show you what happens if you don't. So let's play the preview again. You start walking like off screen. So that's why it's important to have the lock to hip and root motion on. Okay, so it stays in one place. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to add this. And remember, we want the camera in camera projection at 0. We don't want it 45 degree, even though he's a 45-degree character. So apply to timeline. Okay, so we got that. That's half of the work done. Yeah, so it's very easy. Okay, so now what we'll do now, we need to go into motion key editor. Actually, no, before we do that, we'll come into that in a minute. We're going to sprite. Go to sprite editor, and we'll look for, is it the left foot? Yeah, we want the left foot. So basically, we want that foot. The foot says backwards. Okay, so let's just try something. See what the motion is. Let's loop this motion. So basically I just want to loop it so I can see what's going on. Click loop here. Okay. Okay, so that's loop. So you can already see it's much better because I've changed the foot around. Just one foot makes all the difference, yeah? But obviously we can see there's some issues. So the right arm is going behind the hip and the leg, yeah? So we don't want that. We want to bring that arm to the front. But obviously that was defaulted because it was on a 45-degree angle. So we can change that. What we'll do, we'll go into layer editor. Yeah, so now we need to look for the left arm. No, actually, I'm talking about right. Looking for the right arm, right hand, yeah? So that's selected. So now I'll click on center front. So I need that in front of the hip. Also, I need the right arm and right hand in front of the right thigh. Because obviously the hand is behind the right thigh slightly. So you can see, you fully see the hand now. So much better. Well, what we can do as well, let's just play that back again. The legs look very close, yeah? So what we can also do, I'm going to motion key editor, click on left thigh, just move it out a bit on the X axis, let's see. Move it out on the x-axis. There we go. That's one. And then let's do it with the right one as well. Move it on the X. All right, let's see how this looks. Okay, so now let's play back. Much better. You see that? So the feet ain't overlapping. So obviously to sell this motion, to sell the shot, let's add in a scene. Like I said, I'll leave the links to these scenes in the description. You can find them on the Patreon. So they're in both directions actually, and they're looped. They're seamlessly looped, so there's no skipping. So you can use them for a multiple range of scenes and projects. Okay, so now there you go. So now, all right, let's check out the motion. Also, should expand the time line, and let's duplicate these motions so we get a longer scene. All right, so let's play that back. So there you go. You got him running through like a animated anime style forest. What we can also do, we can go into composer mode and edit various parts of the character. So now what I want to do, I want to have this, I want the height and width uniformed with the eye. So what I'll do is open up the eye a bit, you know, a rough estimate, this eyeball in it. Because obviously that eye was meant for 45-degree character. And obviously you can see that the eyes are looking to one side. So what we can do also, which I like with the 3D motions, you can go into the 3D motion and go into the face of the 3D motion. So let's take off the motion. Let's go into the face. I can delete the face motion so I can have full control of the face motion. So I'll go into face key editor. Yeah. And I'll click on the two eyes. You can see they're turned orange now. And what I can do, you can see I'm moving in this white space here. You can see the arrow, the mouse, and basically I can reposition the eyes looking forward. Yeah. Click out of that. Oh, my bad. I forgot. There's something I forgot. What I forgot to do. Yeah. So basically I should have done that from 0 because I didn't do it at 0. Obviously he's going to have the previous motions from the time before. So yeah, start at 0, go back in, go into face animation, go to face key editor. Make sure the two eyes are highlighted so they're orange. You move the arrow, arrow in the white space, which is the mouse. So you see the eyes are looking forward now. So let's play that back. Much better. Yeah, I can even add a warp cycle. Let me see. Let me find the warp cycle. Go to template. And editable 3D. And then there's a warp cycle here somewhere. A mel warp cycle. That's the one. Here we go. Apply. And because I already set up the arms in regards to the layer editor and the sprite editor and the key motion editor, everything's in place. So all I can do is just swap it out really. Look at that. Got him walking through the forest. Let me just duplicate this motion a couple times. There we go. Oh, my bad. I just realized. I thought I was duplicating the face motion. Let me duplicate the walk motion. There we go. Yeah. So there you have it. A 45-degree character with front motions. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Like again, you can find this character in the Reallusion store by an artist by the name of Gary Pye. You can find my scenes, animated moving scenes, which are loot, on my Patreon. And you can find some of them also at the Reallusion store. So thank you for watching. If you got any value from this, do like, subscribe, and share. So thank you. Bye.